welcome back to the channel. Today we're out here working on Keenan's little project. As you can see behind me, we are officially calling this project Citi Life. We got the wheels and mags off, and the car is completely on jack stands at the moment. Jacks. Hello, hello. Ja, you're back. Man, it's and this is what it's like so far. As you can see, got the back seats out, and yeah, you know, just trying to get her back to stock right now. As gonna keep it stock. No, you're not. But as you can see, this shit needs to come off right fucking now. That needs to come off, and then yeah, there's a lot of work still to do, but we're gonna knock it out one by one. And there's the list, big ass list. But anyway, some of the stuff aren't bad. You can see there, that's still brand new. New rotors on. It's just wet right now because the car hasn't been driving in forever, but it can drive.
That's what can.
And we're just trying to get it back to stock. Basically just to daily the car for now. Yeah, typical golf problems, as you can see. You know, typical golf issues. But oh god. But oh, there we go. But yeah, nothing we can't fix. We got capable hands, and she just needs a clean, and that's about it. And yeah, nothing we can't fix. Nothing's impossible. But fucking Lego movie. But yeah, we're just trying to get it back to stock so that we can just do the roadworthy, register the car, and all those things, and then we can start doing what we actually want to do to it. But for now, we just basically trying to get back to stock for as cheap as possible.
Look at my supercharger.
Yeah, and then this is the carbureted motor. So yeah, what are we looking at? 1.8 turbo.
Mini supercharger.
Mini Cooper supercharger. Oh, okay. But yeah, a lot of changes coming. But yeah, we this is gonna be a series basically. So anyone who has a what's this, 2004, 2006? Anyone who has a 2006 carbureted Golf 1.4, we're basically gonna be doing a lot of things on the car, and we'll show you a step-by-step basically of everything that we're doing. We're going to be doing tie rod ends, basically some suspension work, because the suspension clutch is dead. So yeah, yeah, getting it basically. Yeah, engine mountings. We're gonna be doing all 3 engine mountings.
Oh, she does start.
Yeah, no, she starts and runs. I mean, it's just getting everything, you know, okay for the road again. And then yeah, so yeah,
Next month.
yo, next month, my bro. Do the stance. Yeah, but we're gonna do a series on the car, a step-by-step of everything that we're gonna be doing. You can see, you saw the list, so it's quite a bit. Oh yeah, we fixed the. Show them mood. Please show the mood. This hood never used to close. Yo, look at that. But it used to go. But now, yo, one time we just bent. These were bent, so
no, that one bent.
Yeah, so we took it off, bent it straight. But yeah, guys. So so that's it. And Project Citi Life, welcome to the channel. Lot of work. But yeah, so if you're interested in some golf content, I know that content is very It's very big in Cape Town. So yeah, here you go. We got something that you guys can watch. You're basically going to be doing this thing from front to back. Just getting it stock for now, like we said. But the real work's coming when we start changing a few things on this Golf. But yeah, she's nice and straight. Got no major issues. No, how can I say? Nothing that we're gonna spend too much money on. But as you saw the list, that a few bucks is gonna go into the car. But then at least she's up and running again.
You can go to Joburg.
Yeah,
I'm gonna drive to Joburg.
This one's made a couple of trips to Joburg and back already though.
Yeah, it's got like 480,000 on the clock, 460.
Jesus.
480.
480 on the clock,
The
guys.
engine hasn't been opened once.
Not opened once.
Not
Not-
once.
Not
Unless it's tanked.
never smoked.
Nah,
Nothing.
it's about them since maybe we need some assistance,
No,
but we'll get there when we're in front, eh?
no. New radiator already in. So yeah. So yeah. Stick around, guys. This is gonna be a nice build. Nice little project.
But the end part that's gonna...
The end result is gonna be worth it.
And
So
then stage 2, V2 of Skull.
yeah, version 2. That'll be at the end.
But that will be on the later.
That's a later stage. But
Yeah.
we're just trying to get this
Oh,
car.
no. Version 1.
Version 1. just
drive.
just stock.
So I can drive.
We're gonna keep it stock though.
I'm gonna keep it stuck.
No.
Stop! Listen, I can't say
Okay, guys. So yeah, let's get this project on the way. First thing off the list. These have been greased, and we're busy with the other side. Oh, back in the mud. Just cleaning up everything, cleaning it all nicely. The car was in a flood. I don't know if you guys remember when the flat flooded, when we were still staying in the flat, and the Reaper got flooded. I think I don't know. We didn't have the channel. Oh, well, I think I mentioned it that the Reaper was flooded twice. So yeah, the flat where we were staying flooded when we had that storms, that massive rainfall about what, 2-3 years ago, eh? The rainfall. But yeah, so water damage. This car got flooded as well, and but we managed to get all the water out and the moisture out. Same with the Reaper. But yeah, what we're gonna be doing is basically just your Golf life. So what we're gonna be doing is just getting these seats out as well, cleaning everything, cleaning the roof liner. As you can see, roof liner is extremely dirty. Gonna get the steam cleaner, steam clean everything, steam clean the dash, get it all nice and shiny, put some dash protector on again, some silicone everywhere, and you know, get the car back up and running to where it's supposed to be. But yeah, already one thing off the list. You can't break anything. You can't brush, papa.
Krap allerlei gemorst en oude voetjes daar af uit. Dat je stoflap en dan kun je hem af. Je het uit. Zie je wat ze bij goed dat je aan daar gaat. Dat is het.
Full story. Okay guys, the previous few shots were from Saturday, and as you can see, we got the car on jack stands. We still need to do tie rod ends, we still need to do CV joints. We did grease the back bearings, and we did do front brakes. We also stripped the entire car on the inside. I don't think you can see, okay, there you can see it a bit. I think Keenan took his keys with him, because I can't find the keys anywhere to show you guys. Oh, hold on, I think it's open. Yeah, there you go. So let me just show you. Shut up! I'm watching you two. Stop it. Okay, so as you can see, completely stripped on the inside. We just need to take the carpet out. Everything is out of the way for the carpet to come out. So yeah, and then we're gonna clean everything, clean the roof lining, make it all spick and span again. But yeah, new brakes on. We just need to do back brakes, I think, still as well. So some of the stuff already off the list. Front brakes, and grease the bearings. That's 2 down, and obviously strip the car in order to clean and do whatever else we needed to do. But yeah, coming along nicely. This weekend we'll probably do some more stuff, and that'll be part 2, and I'll show you what we've done. We didn't do a detailed breakdown on brakes because I know everyone knows how to do brakes at least, so we'll show you the rest. We're still going to do clutch, so it's new clutch and pressure plate, so those things will still be done, and then we'll show you that. But yeah guys, I'm actually on my way to work right now. I just thought I'd finish the video because I shot everything on Saturday. We got to shoot an outro, so this is the outro right now, and then we'll probably do some more work on the car the weekend, and like I said, that'll be part 2 of the series, and this is just the introduction to Project Citi Life. But we'll see you in the next one. Ride in the repo. Peace out.